Hi guys, Cindy here. This video is going to be about Python. For some odd reason, I don't know why, I'd kind of been hearing a little bit about Python and I did some little bit of research and I found out that that's supposed to be the latest and greatest, newest thing. So I decided, well, maybe I need to learn Python. I'm not retirement age yet. Um, so, you never can tell what you're going to need. So, anyway, I'm taking a Udemy course, although I'm doing things a little bit different than this guy because, you know, um, it's a little bit different syntax, but, I kind of know how I like doing things because programming is programming. But anyway, and this guy's kind of hard to understand because I don't know where he's from, but he's not an American, definitely not from the Ozarks. But anyway, so Python's supposed to be the latest and greatest thing, and so we're practicing learning games because I started doing some stuff, just regular tasks, and I was pretty bored pretty quick with that. And even though I probably would never want to write a Python game to put in an app because Udemy and other game engines are better, it's kind of a fun way to learn to do Python. You kind of learn, the methods and things like this. And this one little game that we've written, and granted, I'm following instructions, except that I did not use my handmade graphics. Those was awful. I found some off the internet that I used. But anyway, so Python's, it's like any other object-oriented language, except the syntax is a little bit different. You don't end sentences with anything or statements, and it kind of is a throwback to the old COBOL and RPG days where things have to be in a certain column. Like for instance, a lot of the languages you'll have separate things with curly brackets or begin, end, or something like this. This doesn't. You just, it has to be in a certain column, whether it goes with that. And so you can see it's not a whole lot of lines. How many lines is this? 206. And so here's the game that we wrote with Python. And no, it's not going in the App Store. So we've got our menus, press, and then we take this little snake head, which I found that on the internet because the one I wrote was just dreadful. And he still, so he eats the apple and he grows a little bit longer. Move my mouse because that looked bad. And so I don't know what I'm going to be doing with Python. You never can tell. My job, we may decide we want to do some stuff with Python, and I'll know how to do it. It definitely doesn't hurt. I was I was trying to work on Blender a little bit, but I just kind of bored with it. And I'm definitely, this guy that we're learning from is kind of going slow, and you kind of get bored with that too. Okay, now I'm going to make it in the game. I'm going to hit the wall. But at least we're, by the time we get done, we should know it. And I only get to work on this on the weekends too, because I don't do stuff at night. Because I get up at 3 a.m. and then I go to my job, and sometimes I'll stay till 5 or later for that. And so then by the time I get home, I'm ready to lay down. So anyway, so I just was going to show you guys some Python. And, I didn't like snakes, and I still don't like snakes, but, because of, the Garden of Eden. But when you realize that really wasn't a snake in the garden, you don't have the real hate for snakes like you used to. Alrighty, well, I'm going to call this a video, and you guys have a great day. Bye.